Good morning and welcome to IDBI Capital Markets and Securities Limited podcast. We'll be discussing our views on Nifty and Bank Nifty. Yesterday being the weekly derivative settlement, we have seen strong upmove trajectory in both Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. But if you look at the data, it was a strong long built up in Nifty, where 6.2% long additions was seen, that is almost 7.2 lakh shares added, with total outstanding now at 12.35 million shares. While as if you look at Bank Nifty, then Bank Nifty did see a sharp short covering rally. 5.6% of positions were reduced in Bank Nifty, with 1 lakh shares were offloaded, and with now the total position stands at 17.81 lakh shares. Yesterday being the weekly derivative settlement, the movement was a little bit on the exaggerated side, but if we hold on to the gains in today's trading session, that is, we managed to hold on to around 15,650 levels in today's trading session, then we may see that it will resume its uptrend. Otherwise, after 13 days of rally, we still expect that there should be a healthy correction into the market, and we expect markets to correct till around 15,450 levels, which is the 38.2% retracement. But if in today's trading session we hold and we surpass 15,800 levels, then the possibility of an throwback reduces. If you look at the put call distribution for the new settlement, then 15,700 strike is now becoming a pivotal strike, where open interest for both calls and put are there, and they are on the higher side. For calls, if we see, then there is a strong open interest of around 14.5 lakh shares, while as on the put front, if we see, it is almost around 18.8 lakh shares. And if we see fresh additions which have happened in yesterday's trading session, then 16,000 strike added 10 lakh shares, while on the call front it added 10 lakh shares, 16,000 call strike price, while as 15,700 put strike price added 14.3 lakh shares. So it is indicating that 15,700 and 15,600 are very strong supports for the market, while as now the resistance has been pegged by the market at 16,000 and 16,100 200 levels. So the open interest data also suggests a very positive trend for the markets. Now if you look at the FII data, then on the FII data in the F&O market, they have sold 944 crores in the index futures. But after a long time, we have seen a very strong buy figure in the stock futures. They have bought almost 1462 crores worth stock future. Also, if we see in the cash market, then in the cash market, FIIs have bought 1330 crores, while DIIs they have sold worth 575 crores. Sector specifically, if we see, then there was strong long additions in the IT names, where a very strong long built up was seen in Emphasis, where open interest was added by 22%, while as LTTS added 10% of long positions. Besides that, short covering there was in banking stocks, where short covering was seen in RBL Bank, Canara Bank and Axis Bank. So that's it all from the podcast. As a standard disclosure, investments are subject to market risk. Please read the offer document before investing. Thank you everyone.